Rightio, so we're here at BWS in Gungahlin. We have a walk-in refrigerator right here. Haven't been in this one for a while. We have Buffalo Trident evaporators right there. Fan motors right here. Of course, the drainage pipe right here. The coil at the back. We have another one right here. Yet again, Buffalo Trident. And of course, another drainage pipe. Yet again, there's the coil back there. So basically how it works is that there's a little pipe somewhere in the back that injects water into the coil, which freezes up by the fans. And yeah, that's basically how they work. Nice little cool room, or beer cave, as they're called in America. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next episode. Bye.